Welcome to Tech Hub Universe. Are you ready to discover the coolest kitchen gadgets and tools that will transform the way you cook, slice, dice, toast, and more? From perfectly poached eggs and crispy waffles to creative slicers and time-saving appliances, we've got something for everyone. Whether you're a pro in the kitchen or just looking for tools to make life easier, stick around because we'll be diving into innovative products that combine style, functionality, and convenience. Let's explore how these gadgets can elevate your cooking game and make your kitchen time a breeze. This Egg Poacher by Eggcentials is the ultimate solution for hassle-free, perfectly cooked poached eggs. Featuring 75ml non-stick cups, it prepares up to 4 XL eggs at once. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel with a 3-ply aluminum base, it ensures even heat distribution and works on all stovetops, including induction. The Bakelite handle and tempered glass lid with a steam vent make it safe and easy to use. Plus, the dishwasher-safe design doubles as a sauté pan for versatile cooking. Stylish, durable, and practical, perfect for your kitchen. The Bosca stainless steel cheese slicer, Copenhagen, is your go-to tool for effortless slicing and grating. Perfect for semi-hard and hard cheeses. It also handles citrus fruits, carrots, and other hard vegetables. With a hollow, lightweight handle, it's easy to maneuver and comfortable to use. The durable stainless steel blade stays sharp and is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Whether you're cooking or entertaining, this multifunctional slicer ensures precision and convenience in your kitchen. Meet the ultimate nesting grill baskets, perfect for barbecue enthusiasts. Made with durable 304 stainless steel, they handle veggies, shrimp, and meats with ease. The removable wooden handle offers a comfy grip and superior heat resistance, while the innovative nesting design saves space, making them ideal for camping or backyard grilling. Built to last and easy to clean, these baskets make cooking fun and effortless. Plus, they come in stylish packaging, making them the perfect gift for dads, husbands, or any grill master in your life. Meet the Kitchen Dow Airtight Butter Dish, the ultimate butter holder for your countertop or fridge. Designed for both East and West Coast butter, it features a built-in sealing ring to keep butter fresh and safe from dust or pets. With side ramps for easy scooping and scraping, measurement marks to control portions, and an anti-slip bottom for stability, it's as functional as it is practical. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, this butter dish ensures freshness and convenience for every use. The Fruit Slicer Cup is a versatile kitchen gadget crafted from 304 stainless steel and thickened ABS material. Featuring 8 sharp blades, it slices strawberries, bananas, grapes, and more into even 6mm slices quickly and efficiently. The detachable blades and bottom base ensure easy cleaning and prevent food from getting stuck. Its large-capacity cup design allows for slicing multiple fruits at once, perfect for salads, sandwiches, or desserts. Dishwasher safe and simple to use, it's a must-have for creative and time-saving food prep. The Cosori Food Dehydrator is a powerful 600-watt appliance with 6 stainless steel trays offering 6.5 feet squared of drying space, 27% larger than standard models. It ensures faster, even drying with a rear-mounted fan and operates quietly at under 48 dB. The digital control panel provides precise temperature, 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 165, and timer settings, up to 48 hours. Safety features include auto shutoff and overheat protection. Accessories include trays, a mesh screen, a fruit roll sheet, and a recipe book, making it perfect for drying fruits, meats, and pet treats. The Elite Gourmet ECT 3100 long slot 4-slice toaster combines style and functionality with its extra-wide slots, perfect for thick bread, bagels, and waffles. Enjoy 6 adjustable browning levels for your preferred toast shade and a reheat warming function for gently warming without burning. Its built-in warming rack is great for pastries, while the cancel button provides quick toasting interruptions. With a drop-down crumb tray and cord storage, cleanup and organization are a breeze. Elevate your breakfast experience with this stainless steel toaster. The glass pickle jar is an innovative solution for pickle lovers, offering a strainer flip design that separates brine and pickles effortlessly. Its durable food-grade materials include a thick borosilicate glass body, BPA-free PP plastic, and silicone parts, ensuring safety and longevity. The airtight seal and non-slip base provide stability and freshness. With a wide mouth and detachable strainer, it's easy to clean and perfect for storing pickles, olives, fruits, or veggies, a thoughtful gift for any kitchen enthusiast. Introducing the Full-Star All-in-One Vegetable Chopper, a versatile kitchen gadget for slicing, dicing, and grating with 5 interchangeable blades. This set includes a bonus spiralizer, an easy-to-use tool for creating vegetable noodles. Stay safe with the included finger guard, protective glove, and blade organizer. Its catch tray minimizes mess, while the non-slip base ensures stability. Made from BPA-free materials, it's dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning. Whether you're a beginner or pro in the kitchen, this compact chopper is a must-have for healthy and efficient meal prep. The Brita Metro Water Filter Pitcher is a BPA-free, compact 6-cup water filtration system designed for healthier, better-tasting water. It reduces chlorine taste, odor, and impurities like copper, cadmium, and mercury. Equipped with a smart light indicator, it alerts you when to replace the filter. This eco-friendly option can replace up to 1,800 plastic bottles annually. The pitcher features an easy fill, locking lid to prevent spills, and supports both standard and elite filters, ensuring fresh water for up to 6 months, depending on the filter type. The Crock-Pot 20-ounce electric lunchbox is your portable solution for warming meals on the go. Its 20-ounce size is perfect for individual portions, while the spill-proof seal ensures no mess during travel. The detachable cord allows for clutter-free storage, and the dishwasher-safe inner container and lid make cleanup simple. With a stylish faded blue design and soft-touch matte finish, this lunchbox is both practical and visually appealing. It includes a warming base, lid, and power cord, making it an ideal gift for men and women. The Zule Kitchen Milk Frother Wand is a powerful, handheld drink mixer, perfect for creating rich, creamy froth for coffee, lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, hot chocolate, and more. It delivers foam in seconds, allowing you to enjoy professional-level drinks at home. The frother is easy to clean with a quick rinse and comes with a durable metal stand for storage. Powered by 2 included AA batteries, it's compact and convenient for any kitchen setup. The FoodSaver custom-fit vacuum sealer bags are designed for versatile and secure food storage. Customizable in length, they feature a multi-layer, airtight design to lock in flavors and extend freshness. Made BPA-free, they're safe for storing both raw and cooked foods. These bags work seamlessly with FoodSaver vacuum systems and are freezer, refrigerator, microwave, and boil safe. Their oxygen and moisture barrier protects food from spoilage and freezer burn, making them an ideal choice for sous vide cooking and long-term storage. The Hulasen Biscuit Cutter Set is a durable and stylish baking tool made of rust-proof stainless steel. It includes 5 sizes with clearly marked measurements for precision and ease. Featuring arched handles for comfort and safety, these cutters easily slice through dough without sticking. Perfect for biscuits, cookies, donuts, tarts, and more, the set ensures professional results for any baking project. Dishwasher safe and designed for convenience, it's a must-have addition to any baker's kitchen. The Starfrit Electric Rotato Express is a hands-free electric peeler designed to handle a variety of fruits and vegetables like potatoes and kiwis. It features a secure non-slip base, making it stable during operation. It includes 2 spare blades stored underneath and a thumb knife for precision tasks. This versatile peeler operates via a 6-volt adapter, ensuring easy plug-and-play functionality, perfect for effortless and mess-free peeling in any kitchen. That's a wrap for today. I hope you found some inspiration and discovered your next must-have kitchen gadget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss out on our latest finds. Share this video with your fellow foodies and leave a comment below. What's your favorite kitchen tool, or which gadget caught your eye today? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy cooking!